It was an incident never seen before in the United States. In August last year, federal investigators raided a former president's place of residence. They seized more than 100 documents with classification markings from his Mar-a-Lago home in Florida. And now the speculation around special counsel Jack Smith's investigation is at an end. Donald Trump has been indicted on federal charges. He is the first former president in U.S. history to be charged at the federal level. The details of the charges have not yet been released to the public, but according to Trump's lawyers, he faces 7 counts, including violating the Espionage Act and conspiracy to obstruct.
The walls around former President Trump are closing in from a legal perspective. These are very serious charges, and they're also the kind of charges that if the federal prosecutors and the Department of Justice are bringing them, as they clearly now are likely to be particularly easy to prove.
This is Trump's second and more serious indictment. The first was on state charges related to hush money payments to an adult film actress, Stormy Daniels. Trump responded to the latest indictment on his social media platform, Truth Social.
It's election interference at the highest level. There's never been anything like what's happened. I'm an innocent man. I'm an innocent person.
To counter accusations of political meddling or bias, the Justice Department under Attorney General Merrick Garland appointed a special counsel to oversee the investigation. Adding complexity to the case, Trump remains the frontrunner for the Republican nomination in next year's presidential election. While the political fallout from the latest indictment has yet to be seen, he faces no legal barrier to running again for the nation's highest office.
Does it mean that he can't run for president? No. We live in a country where, in the United States, rightly or wrongly, a convicted felon, even if he's convicted, can be elected president. He could even, in theory, serve as president while incarcerated.
Trump is due to appear in a federal court in Miami on Tuesday next week. In addition to these charges, the former president faces 2 other criminal probes. One focuses on the attack on the U.S. Capitol in January 2021. The other is looking at whether he attempted to interfere with the 2020 election results in the state of Georgia. A decision in the Georgia case is expected as early as the end of next month. Eason, Chen, and Herel Hughes for TaiwanPlus.